contribute to the Nj-Cpa-Pac because it is the only political action committee in the state of New Jersey dedicated to protecting the interests and the issues relating to CPAs and practicing in public accounting.
I had always thought that because I was a young CPA and I didn't necessarily have a large pocketbook and I didn't have any pull in the firm to write a big check, that I wasn't going to be able to contribute to the PAC or make a difference. But Gail Rosen gave her presentation that year and she told us that it wasn't about writing a $1,000 check, any amount mattered, and it was about the numbers and having the participation. So I wrote a $5 check and I've been writing checks ever since.
Legislators look at how many people of a society are contributing. So there's strength in numbers. $10 makes a huge statement. You don't need to give a lot of money to make an impact.
It's not about politics, it's not about political parties. It's really about supporting entities and organizations that are impactful on us as professionals and regulate our licenses.
It doesn't matter whether you're Democrat or Republican. It doesn't matter if you're apolitical. You need to contribute to the PAC to advance our profession.
It allows me to do the job of servicing my clients while I know there's somebody in the back room protecting the profession that allows me to do what I love the most.
The PAC has been involved in many initiatives to help us in our practices, whether we realize it or not. Not only the privity law and tort reform, we've been involved in tax and business issues. There was a bill proposing to tax professional services, including accountants' fees. We beat that back.
And with the economy, I think that the state is continually going to go after this because it's a ready stream of revenue.
The fact that they were able to stop that legislation from going through is really impactful to the profession and my client base especially. They get no benefit from paying a tax. So it really was monumental for my business to have that go through appropriately.
If you want to practice, whether it's for a large firm or as a sole practitioner, you need to know what legislation is going to affect you and your clients.
I really encourage every member to do their little part, whatever it is, to make a small contribution to make sure that we're financially sound and we can do what we need to do to advocate for CPAs.